I am having serious issues with my cell phone, my cell tower, whatever the heck. But I've got my makeup on and my hair done, so I kind of want to do a video because that doesn't happen very often anymore. All right, we're just going to try. See what we're doing. All right, anyway, so it's such a pretty day. I should be outside, but here's the thing. I had to do a drawing on a different page and like a live, raffle drawing kind of a thing. So I had to do my face and my hair, which seriously takes a long time now. And so since I had to do that, I thought, let's do another video. I mean, seriously, it takes, because I'm not going to do it if I don't have my hair and my face done. So I thought about, people always ask me what was like my most popular video or my favorite. And honestly, one of the first things I ever did was just try on a bunch of lipstick. And people really liked it because you don't always see what lipstick looks like on people. And it really does change how you think about different shades. Even though, obviously it's not going to look exactly the same on you, it still gives you a better sense of, what that lipstick looks like. So I thought, okay, here's what we're going to do. Since I've got my face on, I'm going to do a super quick video of me trying on all these lipsticks. I was going to do all my lipsticks, like my entire wardrobe of lipstick, but we'd be here like a really long time. So I think I'm just going to do the True Dimensions because that just really does not get a lot of attention. And then I need to go outside because it is really nice. I'm going to do something different here because why are my glasses still reflecting so badly? And I'm going to rearrange my office. Are you excited about that? Because I want to get it so that I don't have like the window behind me. Yeah, do this. So that I have a wall behind me instead of the window, and then the videos I think will be better too. All right, what else do I need? I need some tissues. Okay. I just kind of did this at the last second. Okay, so what's True Dimensions? True Dimensions lipsticks are extremely, extremely moist and creamy. They have a very different other lipstick you've ever tried. And when they first came out, we had traditional cream lipsticks, and that was pretty much what I was accustomed to demoing in appointments. And that's what, when you think of a lipstick, most people are thinking of a cream lipstick. And I don't really remember why, but when the True Dimensions came out, I just, didn't really think one way or another about them, and I didn't really promote them. And so time went on, and I'm not exactly sure what clicked in my head. But once I started wearing them, I was just like a kid in a candy shop because there are lots of shades available in this particular formula. And so that's kind of why I want you to see what's available, because it will really open up your wardrobe of lipstick shade possibilities, okay? And I've only got, let's see, I have 6 in front of me. Do I have more than that in my... No, okay. All right, well, if we do that real fast, maybe I will show you more. All right, so anyway, so True Dimensions, the first one, so I'm going to start with some kind of springy, summery ones. This one is called Exotic Mango. They have a lot of, coral, let's see, what's the other word I want to use? Not mango, but coral, peachy, those kinds of shades. Like, so if you know how coral can like lean toward pink or it can lean toward orange, wherever on that spectrum you want to land, there's a lipstick for that. So this one is Exotic Mango. I probably have a mirror. So this one is going to be more on the orange side. So when you've got those, you know what I'm talking about, how there's those summer clothes that have like that cantaloupe kind of a shade. So this is good for that. This actually looks more orange in this light, but can you see that shine? It's sort of like the lip gloss is right in there with the lipstick, but it feels fantastic. Like it actually conditions your lips. It has moisturizers and conditioners, and I should have looked up all the exact words of what they are, but it just feels great. Okay, see, isn't this fun? This is like one of my first and most popular videos. I'm redoing it. Let's see, this one is Coral Bliss. This one I like a lot. This is a sheer coral. This to me is like a true coral, like the super popular shade that comes out every summer, that's sort of a salmon-y coral. I wear this all the time. Again, that looks really orange. I wonder if it's because of my green. It must be because of my green wall behind me. Because it's not as orange in real life. It's more salmon, you know, where it's got like you can definitely see more pink in there. Isn't that funny? How different, how like when you take a photograph or you're on video of the, you know, tones, how shades, undertones are different. But I know you can appreciate the texture, how you can see that creaminess. And then there's also like one called Color Me Coral, that if you really like that true, like that orangey coral, that, oh, what's another word for that? But that was more popular, you know, when I was young. There was like mint green and coral, you know, were really popular together. That true coral, that's more of a Color Me Coral, that one. So now moving on. This one, ooh, do I want to do this one right now? Okay, well, this one is my favorite. It's called Lava Berry, and it does not look like much at all in the catalog, and I don't remember what made me ever try it, but it's so pretty. I hope I don't have too much orange underneath. I hope not. Isn't that so pretty? It's just like it's just a really pretty plum, sort of a dusty plum, and it looks pretty on everybody. And this is like a hidden treasure. Once I try this on people, we don't have samples of it is the thing, but once people try this, they love it. I've sold the video that I did like this, boom, 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 boom. I sold a bunch of these because other people don't have a chance to really know about it otherwise. Lava Berry is that one. Love it. I think the reason it didn't occur to me to try it is because it doesn't look anything like berry, you know, and then the color, the swatch in the catalog doesn't look like anything special. So it wasn't really a berry. It didn't look like anything special. So, but I love it. I call it plum something if I were in charge. Okay, this one is very popular, called Chocolate. Those of you that miss Downtown Brown, this is not Downtown Brown, but at least it's a brown, and it's very pretty. And you can wear it heavier if you want, you know, you can just put a little bit on if you just want a hint of that color, or you can wear it heavy if you want a darker color, because Downtown Brown was a pretty intense shade. And you can wear this with, I think it's called Rich Cocoa on top. That's a lip gloss to give it the shimmer, because Downtown Brown had a shimmer and this does not. Okay. So this is Chocolate, and this is looking a little bit orange too. I wonder if I change this. Oh. But this chocolate is not as deep as Downtown Brown, but it still is like a very wearable, rich chocolate, and because it's so creamy, it's just really flattering, and a lot of people have liked this one. Look for, here's the lid. Oh, I want to show you this too. That these people never know how to open these. I don't know exactly why they chose to do it like this, but the way that you open up the lid is that you have to push on the top and like pop it out like a bullet kind of. So you push on the top, bottom. Otherwise you can't, there's no bottom to pull off. Like you can't grasp anything. This cylinder is all one solid piece. So you have to push from the top, then something pops out the bottom for you to release it. Different, yeah. I'm not exactly sure what the reason behind that was. So maybe when I watch the replay, it won't all look as orange as it does in my monitor. Now these two are really intense. This will be interesting to see what these look like on camera. This one is called Spice and Nice. And I kept thinking in my brain that it was like a chocolatey color, but it's really not. It's red. It's like a cinnamon red. And again, a little goes a long way, so you can really, you know, make it out there if you want to. And I had to learn to kind of tone it down. Spice and nice. So it's another option in your red category. We really have a lot of reds to choose from. Like when I actually started, adding them up, I was surprised how many we have. And then the last one is like a really dark berry. Boy, this is so interesting because this again just looks a lot warmer on the video, at least what I'm seeing, than it is. I'm curious. So this will be very interesting because this is a cool berry. This is called Mystic Plum. Now if this looks orange, we got a situation. Let's see. It kind of does. Wonder if I have like could I have a filter on? I don't think I can have a filter on my video. Mystic Plum. And this reminds me of, we had a lipstick called Plum like a long time ago. And this is, more of a deep plum. Dang. This is so interesting. I wonder, could it be, what do you think it is? Do you think it's my background? Or maybe it's not, maybe it doesn't look as orange to you as it does to me. I don't know. I'm kind of bored. What else do you want to do? I want to show you something else. What else can I show you? Oh, I know what I can show you. Because there's a couple lip glosses that I don't have samples of either. That, that once you see them on, you're like, oh, dang, that's like really cute. That's what we're going to do. All right, just two more. Just indulge me. I've talked about this a lot, Rockin' Red. And honestly, I opened this up just because it was on my shelf and I didn't think anybody'd ever buy it. So I thought, well, let's put this on. And I ended up really loving it because it's just a really nice red and it's not too thin. Like sometimes you put on a red gloss and you need to keep reapplying it so that it has a nice consistency. But this just has a really nice coverage. Okay, I'll stop talking. And this, I don't know that it's this probably is somewhat of a warm red, but it's more of a true red with maybe just a hint of orange. It's more of a, like, on the color spectrum, it's more of like right up dead on red. But can you tell it like has really nice coverage. And this one is, I don't think they call it matte when it's obviously they can call it matte when it's a gloss, but it's not a shimmer. So it's like a flat, what is that called? I don't know. Not shimmer. All right, we'll just do one more. And then I need to go outside and get some fresh air. So do you. Okay. And then the last one. So this is interesting. This is Berry, let me make sure. Berry Dazzle. It is so pretty and it's so dark. And when you first put it on, if you put it on heavy, it is really dark. But you can also put it on very thin, and actually the actual formula is somewhat sheer, and it's a lot of sparkle. And as you wear it, all that's really left over time is just the sparkle. So it's not as, and if you don't like, how shall I say? If you like it, but you feel like, oh, I just couldn't wear something that dark, you can really tone it down by just using a small amount or by blotting it. Because so it's more wearable than you think it might be. That's very, very pretty. I am pretty orange from all those colors. So this one does have shimmer, and it actually has sparkles in it. There's a difference. It has to do with like the size of the, I don't know if sparkle is made out of mica, but the shimmer is made from mica. And the more shimmery it is, the bigger the pieces of mica. So that is, this one almost, in the way I'm looking at it, looks like sparkle berry. The difference, this one is actually berry dazzle, which is real purpley. We do have one called sparkle berry that's a little more red, but this looks more red to me now. So curious. So how does one demo lipsticks? Maybe I'd need, I don't know. How did I do it last time? I didn't even have my good lights last time. I was in my dining room with terrible lights. But I was so new, I probably didn't know the difference. Anyway, all right. I guess I had to go outside and get some exercise and fresh air. Hope you guys are doing well. I miss seeing everybody so much.